we're gonna go and check out the place, guys. Right. Oh. Oh. Wow. That's so nice. The Campervan luxury style. What?
Those chairs.
Whoa, that's so nice. Look at that. Yeah.
So,
It's our first time. Oh, look at the bunk beds. Ah, so nice. There's 3? 1, 2, 3. Exactly. There's like 3 of you there. Wow.
oh no.
Now, Dara, could you open this, please? What's in there? Whoa. What?
The toilet.
The toilet. Oh, look at that. Look at the view. What? You have the view there? I thought it's like a telly. There's actually, yeah. No, that's the shower. That's good. Oh, look at that. Light from the sky. Oh, it's open. Look at this. And what is this? Bathroom lights? That okay. Kian, you can sleep in here.
Kian's peeing.
Oh yeah. Right. Okay. What do you think, guys? Oh, there's a fridge here. Nice. And what's on top? Oh, just something. And this one here. Ooh. How do you open this? Oh, like this. Oh, there's already ice. Okay. And how about this? Oh, nice. Oh, there's milk already. Okay, guys, look at that, huh? What do you think?
It's cool.
It's cool, yeah? What do you think?
What's the reaction?
Good,
Oh
yeah?
my gosh!
Kian dream of this.
Where would you be staying, Kian?
In the middle.
You're always wanting to... Oh, look at that! Your window!
Window!
Yeah!
I'm at the bottom. Come on.
Yeah.
You're gonna be in the middle again.
You have no light there, Azar, except for the top one.
Wait, imagine what's this?
Oh, I have this.
Oh, you have that?
No, it doesn't
Oh,
work.
it doesn't work. No, that's probably... Is that
Wait,
light?
what
I
does it
also
want?
have a
Doesn't work.
window. I have a window as well.
You have a window there?
Yeah.
Ah,
I have a window. Wait,
That's
wait,
cool.
you don't have a window?
Yeah.
And then there is
What do you mean by a
microwave,
window?
of course.
Yeah, we have windows.
Nice,
no?
Yeah.
One of
Those are
like this.
And
Oh, go down
then
here and you'll see.
cooker.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Yes, oven.
Both of us. It's so hard.
And
to
the sink.
You opened it.
They have toasters as
Where's
well.
the bathroom?
Okay.
Here.
Kettle, which is like basic. Oh, what's in here? What is this? A heating. Okay. So far,
I want
guys,
It's not the bottom.
and this is
so big.
Yeah, I will.
their room.
this is
Lara, you can you go at the top.
Oh, no,
yeah.
but I want a
So
window.
far, so
I
good.
want
There's a window.
It's the first first day, first
There's no
impression.
window at the top.
Now,
Mama,
guys, we'd like to have this
Mama,
like an experience of
no
having
window at the top.
like sleeping in a caravan like this. So this is it. Hello. From the outside, it's actually dark.
Oh.
Can't see you from the outside. But from the inside, it's nice and bright, isn't it?
Yellow hair. Yes, right?
No,
Is your character bald?
no.
And I know Joseph is your character.
No!
Wow.
Yes,
Yes.
put 2.
Do you have plus?
They have plus.
Why would you do that?
Red?
You don't have red.
Pick a color that you have.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hello.
pick.
Oh, you can place it. You...
Oh! I said Uno!
No!
I did!
No! Pick one! Pick one!
I did it!
Come on, you did it!
I did!
I never heard!
You were talking to Keon!
Come on, guys!
I said
Replay!
Uno.
Replay! Replay!
Replay! You were replaying!
Come on! I never heard! Last night was the first night and I woke up very early. Same as one of the boys woke up, I'd say. And the minute he woke up, he was moving in their in his bunk bed. And for some reason, the bunk bed is connected to the king size bed, which is at the front of the caravan. But as expected, in the caravan, every movement, I'd say, if one moves, everyone feels it, as expected. Just like in, obviously you're inside this tube, and but nevertheless, it's a happy family moment we have. We are currently stuck in this weather. It's raining outside, but as expected, it's fun. I must say, it's fun.
Do you even know how to play? Why you close the cards?
How was your sleep last night?
It was good. It was good. Yeah.
How is it being away from your gadgets?
I haven't really been thinking about it, but being in the caravan is nice. It's cool. It's a nice experience. And like the only thing, some bad things are, is like it's a bit small and you can smell the toilets and stuff. And if you like actually own it, you'll have to like empty the sewage. If it's rainy, we can play board games, but you can do that in like a normal house as well. But yeah, in a caravan, you're like more away from gadgets, so there's more bonding with the family.
Okay. It doesn't have to move though. Oh, where do I get the bread?
You want rice as well?
Yeah.
Oh, can we close this? Can we go?
It's cool and like there's a window at the top, and when you're going on the bed there's like a window that you can look out if it's raining.
Well,
Yeah.
I think it feels a bit unusual because we have, a house,
Wait.
a big house, that this just seems like one room for us.
The worst thing I don't like it about this is the toilet, because if you own like this, like you have
You have to empty the toilet every
Yeah.
time you poop. I'm enjoying that we're all together and we're experiencing what it's like to be in a campervan. And usually we're all separated in our different rooms. Like you're in your office, Mama's cooking, and then we're in the sitting room using our gadgets. But I think it feels nice to have a bit of refreshment of no gadgets and being together.
No, but I like the view.
Yes?
Like it's my yeah.
The view.
Yeah, it's like there, and I bring my binoculars.
I think that living in a caravan can sometimes be easy, but sometimes hard. A lot of people think it's just, oh, I can move my house wherever I want. I can go anywhere in the world. But it's a lot more than that. I feel like it's really, well, it can sometimes be really hard because of where you have to park the caravan or campervan, because some places don't allow that. And also the water, it's not an infinite source. You'll have to like get new water like every day or so. And you have to find out where you can put your own poop.
Like in the
Because it doesn't just go to the, well, sewage. You have to empty it, so it seems a bit gross.
Look at the weather we have for today. But it doesn't mean that we can't go anywhere. We will try to go out and see what's out there.
Hi, look at the weather. It's beautiful. It's lovely for the ducks. So all morning, we stayed all morning here in the caravan. So time to check out the place.
Checking the nearest village from where we're staying, and it seems quiet today. Not a surprise because the weather is not so good, but what can you do? We are in Ireland. This is the fun of being in Ireland. It's a quick tip: when you're in Ireland, it's always easier to talk to anybody if you talk about the weather, just like today. How is the weather today? Look at that weather. By the way, guys, for those of you who'd like to have €20 bonus, you can download TapTapSend and just type the promo code MMK. You will get €20 on top as bonus when you're sending home to the Philippines. Type on promo code MMK. Okay, that's the look from the outside of the caravan. As you can see, the kitchen is just there. The dining table is here. And this is how we are managing the space. So for those of you who would like to go and experience this caravan thing, expect for this kind of thing. Yeah?
Small space.
Yeah, small space. But it's something different. That's why we are here. We'd like to experience like this. Oh, okay. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll continue eating. It's vegan, non-alcoholic. Whoa, look at that.
Finally, we had a chance to experience a life in caravan. We always talk about campervan or maybe rent a caravan to experience the life traveling without booking hotel, traveling places, especially here in Ireland. But apparently, it's really hard to find parking for campervan or caravan. So we're here enjoying the life in caravan. And you know what, guys? It's really nice. It's actually really comfy here. It's a small space, of course, compared to the house, and you know, especially with the boys. And you know what, guys, this place is actually a really nice place. It's far from the city, and this caravan is actually located where it's not near to houses. So even if we are noisy, I don't have to tell them, oh, be quiet, you know, that way. They have a small area where you can do barbecue. Unfortunately, it's raining all day. We actually had a chance to have a chat with the owner. You know what, guys, the owner said they only use this caravan a couple of times a year, so they thought, why not rent it? And they were so surprised that they got booked, especially during holiday season, and they have to block a week for themselves to use it. I should say that I really enjoyed it. The kids enjoyed it, the husband enjoyed it, so hopefully in the future we get to own one.
Okay, fine, I said hi, but I did not say goodbye. What do you want? That's my style. Don't be mad, I'll be sad. I get drunk so quick it's bad. I'm flattered you miss me, but thanks for the whiskey. They call them Irish goodbyes. There's no taking time, no standing in line. We just head to the back and we fly. And when they realize it's late in the night, they're asking, why did he leave? What do you want? That's my style. Why don't you stay for a while?
Along the way, we passed by this castle and we decided to check out what's inside. When traveling in Ireland, it's so nice to just drop by and look around, so you won't be bored along the way.
This ruined castle is well maintained, as you can see, and you don't have to pay. You just need to give donation.
That's all. And a lot of castles in Ireland is like that. So come and visit Ireland. West Cork is a beautiful spot. If you get a chance, come and check it out.
Today's our last day, or our checkout day here at the Hideaway. We definitely enjoyed our stay here, a home away from home.
As per usual, we shall see you in our next trip.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, see ya!